Hello fellow voice coder. My default command language is English, but today I'm going to speak English, German and French for you. And after that I'm going to show you how to set it up yourself. English, this is an easy sentence. You can do that all day long. New line. German, wenn Sie wollen, können Sie das auch auf Deutsch machen. New line. French, si vous voulez, vous pouvez faire ça en français aussi. Now, how does it work? How can you speak multiple languages while still keeping your primary command language in English? Well, first, the primary system will recognize a command. If that command contains a text block that needs to be translated, it will take the audio of that text block and send it to a secondary system. The secondary system can be configured to recognize a different language than your primary system. And it will take that audio and recognize it fully as dictation, resulting in properly translated text that can then be piped to the output. If you want to use multiple languages too, while still keeping your command language in English, you can set that one up easily with Easy Voice Code. You can use those 3 example commands for English, German and French, and basically just copy them. I will link them in the description. And the main part that you have to do is basically add your language code that you want to have into the text placeholder, and then the system will automatically use a second text recognition system to translate your audio into the correct text. Now, if you want to get the best voice-to-text recognition, I would recommend you to use online speech recognition. When you're using Easy Voice Code, you can get this by installing the Microsoft Online Speech add-on. This will add integration for the Microsoft services, and especially the speech services from the Azure cloud. And the nice thing about this is, Microsoft gives you 5 hours of free text-to-speech recognition per month. And those will probably be enough for you, and I personally never use those up, so you should get the best voice-to-text recognition for free. So set up an Azure account and create a speech service. After that you will get a key and you will have to insert the region. So first you will have to put in here the region that you actually set up your server, and then put in your subscription key, and after that, well, you have the best text-to-speech recognition in the world for free. Enjoy!